Well, we've got a big-time snow and ice storm on the way for the tri-state. Mainly, unfortunately, it's going to be an ice storm for our area, and that ice could be crippling and make travel almost impossible for some of us, especially as you make your way closer to the Ohio River. So today is the day, if you have plans to maybe go to your hardware store, get those shovels, the ice picks, and the rock salt to kind of melt that ice. Today's the day to do it. We're going to be nice and quiet today with nothing to worry about. Temperatures 20s and 30s. As we put Futurecast into motion, as I said, sunshine today, but chilly temperatures. We should be in good shape. Clouds will start to increase tonight, and by tomorrow morning, here comes that precipitation. For some of us, it might start out as a little bit of snow before transitioning over to a mix of snow, sleet, and freezing rain, or just straight freezing rain or plain rain the further south you go. And you can see some of that rainfall. There could also be a couple of rumbles of thunder in there as well, especially as you work your way closer toward the Tennessee line. We might get a break in the precip before wraparound moisture comes in Monday morning. Everything ends as a period of snowfall. In terms of those snowfall amounts, not a ton. General 1 to 3 inches for most of us. You get closer to the Ohio River, 3 to 6 inches, and then if you live up closer toward the I-64 corridor, you could see 6 to 8 inches. You're not seeing a lot of snow because you're seeing, unfortunately, the possibility for big-time ice amounts. And notice the area here, 1/4 to 3/4 of an inch of ice. That's the worst area, and that does include Owensboro, possibly Paducah as well, depending on how long that freezing rain lasts. A tenth or so isn't a big deal of ice. Your windshield is coated, it's a little bit slick, you notice a little glaze on the trees, but you get into that 1/4 to 1/2 inch, then you start to notice things. Those tree limbs are sagging, you get some power outages, roads become very slick, and over a 1/2 inch of ice, then you've got a catastrophe shaping up with widespread trees down, power outages that could last for days, and impassable or impossible driving conditions. Upper 30s today, as I said, nice and quiet, really nothing to worry about no matter where you are. Tonight we'll see clouds on the increase with wintry mix moving in late toward dawn. That continues Sunday and Monday with that freezing rain. And then behind the system, it gets very cold, lows into single digits for some mornings.